Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys an in-depth tutorial on how to achieve a soft glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did recently wash all my makeup brushes, so this is why I'll be picking them out of here. So to conceal my brows, I use the Bold Balm by Made by Mitchell. This is in the shade BB12. I don't really like concealing my brows with a shade that is too light, and this is why this shade is literally perfect for me. I just go in very, very lightly, follow the shape of my brow. The Bold Balm is quite creamy, so you can work with it really, really well. Now that the brows are concealed, I'm gonna set it with some powder. For that, I'm using my MAC Skin Finish powder. It disappears and it just looks so natural. Now for concealer. You could color correct or go in with the concealer straight away. But today, I think I'm quite fine with how my under eyes look, so I'm gonna go in with the concealer. This concealer is so hydrating. I got it from Rimmel London. You know, if you have dry skin or your under eyes crease very easily, try this out. Squeeze it out a little bit and then just apply this under my eyes. I do apply this on my chin and under my nose, so I let it sit in before I start blending it out. In the meantime, let's do the contour and blush. Contour, blush, my dear beloved curved case. Usually I would do this if I'm trying to really contour, but today I'm using this shade. To contour really well, I always go in with a flat head brush. I take some off on my skin and then apply. I blend it until it literally like disappears into my skin. Do you see what I mean by disappear into your skin? Whenever you want makeup to disappear in your skin, the secret behind it is blending. Like, you need to blend until your hand hurts, okay? Concealer, contour, blush, blend that shit in. Now I'm gonna take this bit that is still in my hand and I will apply that under my chin and blend it into my neck. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the concealer right now. For this, I'm using this pointy brush from Lash Filter. Just makes the blending easier and more precise because of the shade that it has. When blending your concealer, make sure you're looking up so you can get the concealer right in your creases. Take your time when blending out concealer because that's how you're gonna get like the best results ever. Can you guys see how it looks already? I love it. I just love the look. I like going in with a lighter shade of concealer, and that's what we're doing today. And the lighter shade that I'm using is the Revolution, the shade C12.2. This concealer is really, really good, and it's only £3.50, y'all. Like a bargain. Applying the inner corners of the eye and the outer. This concealer also adds some warmth onto my face because the Rimmel London concealer is quite cool. My undertone is neutral warm, so mixing both of them actually give me like the best result. I want to do my liquid blush while I let that sit in for a bit. I will be mixing these two pinks. This is Cow Lake and this is Cherry Cola. Look at the shade. Oh, so beautiful. I love it. I've never mixed these two, yeah. I've never actually mixed these two, but I knew like mixing them would give me like a really, really nice pink shade. I'm in love. When applying your blush, blend it upwards. It might look crazy now, but once you blend out your concealer, it will make so much sense. Now I'm just gonna blend this in. This is the brush that I'm using. I got it from Morphe. It's the M173 brush. So good when it comes to blending concealers, and it's so easy to work with. So my battery did die on me. I don't even know if I'm on the same angle as I was before, but hopefully it is. I did go ahead and blend out my concealer off camera just because I didn't want it to dry before I could do this. Now we're gonna blend everything with a makeup sponge. One thing you'll notice, beauty blenders do pick up the product, and that's why I'm using it when I do soft glam. If you guys see me looking down a lot, it's because my mirror is literally just right here. Now it's all blended and we're ready to go in with our powders. This is the most exciting bit because you actually see your makeup coming through, you know. I am doing pressed powder before baking powder. This helps with under eye creasing. I forgot to put foundation on. This was about to turn into a no foundation makeup tutorial instead of a soft glam. What's wrong with me? These are the foundations that I'll be using. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow filter and this is the Rimmel Multitasker Better Than This filter. I don't apply this around my under eyes. Once I'm done applying the foundation, now we can finally start our faces. Pressed powder. This is the H&B Cosmetic pressed powder in the shade Dark. Rubbing off the excess on the back of my hand and then just go in. Try to look up, avoid creasing. I find that smaller powder puffs work a lot better. I'm applying the setting powder on my chin and under my nose as well. We're gonna go in with the setting powder this time. Apply this at the back of your hand as well. This is so you can get like an even application. I just put it on there and let it sit. I'm not pressing it in this time. I just leave it on there. On your chin and under your nose. I do apply a little bit on my forehead, just a tiny bit. I like it. I like how we're looking right now. I like it. And if you're following this routine, I really hope it's going well for you. I really hope this is being helpful. Let me know if it's not helpful, if there's anything you want me to explain further in my other videos. We're bronzing today because it's a soft glam. Powder bronzer or powder contour, I always use an angled brush because it just works a lot better. Apply some, dust off the excess, or you can apply it on your skin, and then you go in. Do the same thing you did when you were applying your liquid contour. Apply it on your forehead as well. Don't forget your forehead, please. You did apply liquid product on there, so you have to set your liquid products or your cream products with the powder. The last place we're gonna apply the bronzer or contour is on our chin. This gives your face a blend into your neck. You don't want your face to be like a completely different shade. This is a brush I'll be using for my powder blush. It's from Morphe as well. It's M449. Take some blush. That is quite a lot, so I'm gonna press it off on my hand and then go in. If you're scared that it's too pigmented, don't be scared. Don't be scared. We're gonna blend this shit out, don't worry. Now that we're done with that, let's blend out the powder that we have under our eyes. Now that that is done, we're going to fully blend our face now. This is the last step. For this, I'm going back to my Skin Finish powder that I used in the beginning on my brows. I'll be using this to blend the rest of my face. This I'm using a big round brush, and this is from, I buy this in Superdrugs, but I think the brand is called B Point, and this is the brush N302. Generous amount, doesn't matter. And now I just apply it everywhere. The goal is to blend any harsh lines that you might have, blend any place that you feel like there's too much pigment on it, you know, just to make everything look seamless. It instantly reduces the strength of everything that you've applied on your face, and this is why I always do this last. Oh my days. Who told me to wear a white top when I'm doing my makeup? Now that this is done, we're gonna spray some skin mist to bring back some moisture into the face. To set my face, these are the two things that I'll be using today. My Morphe spray and my Revolution spray. This one is to make it last all day, and this is to seal the makeup. Keep this far because it doesn't spray like a mist. It sprays like an actual spray. For my lip, I'll be using this brown lip liner from H&B Cosmetics in the shade 09. It is so good. Okay, so I'm happy with what my lips are looking like right now. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should just stick to a pink gloss or a brown glossy gloss. I think I'm gonna go for brown. There's already a lot of blush, and because it's a soft glam, you want everything to kind of come together and look a little bit neutral. So I think a brown gloss would be good. This is by Rimmel London, and it's their glassy gloss in the shade Chocolate Glaze. Oh my god, we look so pretty. So this is the final makeup look. Ooh, I'm excited. I feel so pretty. I feel like I need to go somewhere right now. I hate doing my, not like I hate it, but sometimes I'm like, the beat looks too good to be sitting inside the house. I need to be outside. This is my version of a soft glam. If you guys agree with my version of soft glam, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if this is giving you soft glam actually. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on my socials, come and say hi to me if my DMs are open. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. In the meantime, just enjoy a few clips of how I look.